Good morning and welcome back to the 5 minutes before work series. We are going to be working our arms today. I would grab your lightest set of weights. We're going to focus on the shoulders, helping you build that hourglass figure. We're going to get started right away, but first I'm going to tell you, the challenge today is to work your arms, keep them in the air for the entire 5 minutes. Now it's not going to burn the first minute and a half, and then 3 minutes in, you're going to want to put your arms down, and I'm not going to let you. So let's get started. Grab those weights, grab them in your hands. I want you to bring those arms out towards the side, your palms are facing forward, and we're just gonna pulse to the front. So we're starting off tiny pulses, all right? No wide, crazy arms here. I just want you to drop your shoulders back and down, drop the ribs, chest is lifted, abs engaged, and let's just trek it out for this whole 5 minutes. I'm telling you, it is going to burn. It's going to be the most wonderful burn you've ever had in your arms without using heavy weights or doing crazy body weight exercises. All right, we're gonna circle backwards. Your palms are still facing forward. Now squeeze those weights in your hand and really focus on those shoulders. So I want you the entire time to get this mind to muscle connection down. Now, every single time you feel like dropping your arms down, I want you to keep them in the air for even longer. What you tell your brain is going to make a difference through this routine, and it's only 30 seconds each exercise. I will tell you exactly when we get to the halfway point. All I need you to do is keep going and keep those arms up. All right, we're gonna take those arms, bring them right in front. You're just gonna squeeze like you're squeezing a ball, really holding onto those weights, controlling them, and keeping your arms at shoulder height. So if you see here, my back is straight, I'm facing straight ahead, and I'm squeezing it out. Take it for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are going to turn our arms towards the front. You're going to squeeze back, squeeze those shoulders, and bring it forward. Another 30 seconds. So every time you squeeze back, really squeeze the shoulder blades. Again, helping you with that upper body strength, keeping those arms in the air, keeping those weights at shoulder height. You can do this. I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you a secret. I have done so many burpees in the past 3 days because I'm really trying to build cardio endurance. My arms are already on fire. So if you're feeling it, I'm feeling it too. I'm going to keep on going with you though. So keep squeezing those arms back. Give me another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're going to take your arms into a 90-degree angle. Okay, it's starting to burn, right? We are going to come down and up for the next 30 seconds. We're going to keep this goalpost position for the next 2 exercises. And all I want you to do is focus, concentrate. Your mind will give up before your body does. So if you tell your brain right now that you can keep your arms up, you can keep going. You've got that straight line from elbow to elbow. You've got your abs engaged. You are going to be able to keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to take it overhead. We are already halfway through the workout, so just pressing up towards the ceiling, keeping those palms facing out. Now, by now, you should be starting to feel it a little bit in those biceps, a little bit in those shoulders. And if you don't have weights or you want to put those weights down, you can do that. But I want you to still keep pushing through with as much effort as you can. Give it your best effort for 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna straighten out and you're gonna turn those palms backwards. So yes, I know this burn. You're gonna pulse it back. The next 30 seconds, keep those shoulders down, keep that neck nice and long, chest is lifted, ribs are down. Oh my God, my arms are burning. This is so exciting, okay? Because I know for me, arms is a really hard thing to work. I always end up giving in, but telling my brain really does make a difference when I say I can keep going, I can keep going. So then I do end up pushing through, but man, it is tough. For 3, 2, 1, we're gonna take our arms straight back behind. Almost feels like a rest. It's not. You're gonna bring those arms up and down for the next 30 seconds. So palms are facing in, bring it up and down. Put a slight bend in those knees. Now bend it forward. Lift those arms even higher for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeezing those back muscles. We're gonna take it in and out. Last exercise. You've made it to the 5 minutes. You've made it to the 5 minutes. Don't stop now. Finish it out. Pulse it in and out. Here we go, guys. Really squeeze. Bring those arms even higher than you had them. Lean down a little bit further. Head is facing down. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release those arms down and give yourself a major clap if you can still move your arms. 5 minutes, arms to the air, you did it. We're gonna do our next routine is gonna be abs. It's gonna be another 5-minute marathon where I'm gonna show you how I work my abs the exact same way, and it is gonna be awesome. So subscribe if you haven't already. You'll get that notification for the next workout. And if you are already a part of this, small community that I have, thank you for following. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day.